Hello everyone, I'm Deepshikha, your host for the InnoHEALTH Magazine podcast, and today we have with us Dr. Hara Prasad Mishra. Welcome, sir.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you here. To begin with, could you please familiarize yourself to our listeners?
Yeah, sure. So I'm basically a pharmaceutical physician and a computational medicine researcher working in the segment of clinical trials, drug development, clinical research, and currently I'm in collaboration with the University of Delhi based, and I have a past experience of working for PMOs and some few startups, to name a few, Flipkart Health Plus. So primarily my area of expertise lies in digital health and digital twins, for research.
Okay, well, the session of InnoHEALTH has been all about, digitalization,
Absolutely.
integration of AI into healthcare and how it's just seeping its way into every other sector and every domain of healthcare, right? So in your journey of coming from, drug development background and novel drug delivery and all of that, and now in trying to integrate technology into delivering it efficiently to patients, what shifts have you seen that have proven to be really promising for you?
Absolutely. Well, thanks for the question. So primarily I'm basically a trained physician, right? So as part of my post-grad, I learned about clinical pharma, drug development part. So when I started learning more about it, the moment I realized when I was in my internship days that technology is something that can help, because those were days of COVID, right? So you can't touch a patient, the PPE coat was needed. So remote monitoring started from then and there only.
Yes.
So it has been last 4 to 5 odd years when technology disruption have been seen. If you see India also as a country, so this Abha IDs, the National Digital Health Mission, all have been coming after that. So welcome to the post-COVID era, I must say.
Yeah, right. Right. So, of course, you mentioned the shift from, putting in the elbow grease and paperwork into doing everything, the manual records and everything, and now we're shifting into digitalization from the book logs into EMRs, right? And you've seen the shift to all of that. What suggestion would you like to give to people who are now stepping into a similar field as yours, or aspire, or some aspirants like me who want to be in a similar role as yours?
Yeah, so my suggestion will be in general to all the healthcare workers like who are studying any kind of medical, paramedical, nursing courses in general, that please have an open mindset, because the jobs are going to be very much limited in hardcore healthcare. If I talk about the reasons are very simple. Tech is going to have a lot of impact, especially if you see 4 or 10 years back what the hospitals used to have for the nurses is that vital monitoring, drug delivery, right, noting down the notes of the physician, like that. Similarly, if you see what are the role for a radiologist or for a surgeon, they're pretty clear. But now with the advent of technology, things are rapidly changing, so everybody needs to be agile, have an open mindset and open to change. That is the only suggestion I can give.
Well, that's a really great message considering the Indian healthcare is dynamically changing. So really thank you for your input, sir. Yeah. It's a pleasure having you here on today's episode.
Welcome.
So thank you. I hope the listeners benefit from this. Thank you, doctor.